Yo, walk on flag girl. Watch ya? Yeah. Usher.
Time, youth.
No, youth.
You like see me put on face, you man them now.
Watch ya? Bruh. Hey, see that ladies? Call his number. 1876 King Alvin. 1876
354-721.
Man, don't want to sing that.
No,
Man, you that in a cartel song that. And why you take man for fool, you know, like in piece of man don't know a song. Anyway, vlogger, we there, I walk up on the road. I go pick up some things. Up a ship me.
No.
I go pick up one little upgrade for the camera, you see it, because we have many things to do, as I say. We'll touch the road today. And thing, you see it. Plus, I go do me ear so I can look like Star. What do they use to the things I'm joking?
A Lincoln woman named Star. Why
oh.
Releasing dopamine.
So I go and vlog world. So see it here now, but may I tell you now, it's what you call Grand Market, right? So all the whole heap of ties them and niceness, them there. This is actually the day before Christmas. This is Christmas Eve here in Jamaica. Grand Market, yeah? Whole heap of vendors and people there. Right now up on the street, the police them and make sure we're alright. Yeah. Every man I look at food, you see it? So see it there? Whole heap of ties and thing, you see it? So I know you guys probably wondering what is Grand Market. So the history of Grand Market is this. Downtown, Ocean Hotel, Victoria Grand Market, and also another place that's called Parade. That was where they usually have it way back in the days. And one of the wow factors of Grand Market was the lot of toys. Toys, that's the wow factors. And it usually be originally like on Christmas morning. So that is the reason why we keep the Grand Market from the day before right back to Christmas morning. We roast it. And that is the history. It was something that also set up for the rural kids back like in the country area. They can come with their family and dress up in them pashy gears and come out here and experience the whole Grand Market feeling. So that is the history behind Grand Market. Also, they used to have bands and people playing music. Make one bag of nice so the kids them can dance and thing. But that kind of change over the years. But the good thing is them keep the tradition alive still. And we still do the Grand Market here in Jamaica. And one of the greatest things is Jamaican people who always come out here and we have fun. Run it till a morning. Perfect opportunity to even do your last minute shopping. See there? Place ram. Right? It's normally bigger than this, to be honest. We couldn't even have space for walk. But yo, people still coming out. And it might get even bigger than this to piece because guess what? It's still kind of early. You see it? Kingston, Jamaica. So we do it thing. You see it? Every vibes, you see it? So the hustler there. Big up yourself. Yeah man, see the man them there? Real Jamaican style. You see it? Big up, big brother. Yeah man, see? This is what you call Grand Market. You know, you can get your last minute shopping because you know that enough commercial buildings and buildings lack. So them people here now, our people, come out here and provide what the bigger store them can give away because the bigger store them lack early. But them, our people them, run it right till the morning. You see, ties, clothes, shoes, jewelry, cap, yo, anything you want. A day out here, so the same thing with the big building them have, it out here so too. And that's why we love Grand Market because, as we say, when the commercial building them lack, them have everything, watch it, all food. You see it? Now I mean, yeah man, so go over the plaza now. I make you see it, you see it? Close the general have. Big up yourself, General. See?
Power can the poor people right hand.
Yeah, man, straight. Out, big brother. See? This is what you call a grand market. The power, you know, people them and the poor people them, you see it. When you come out, you say you can get discount. Crazy discount, you save. Even save more than the other people them, you see it. In the commercial store. Music I play, good vibes, good energy. So this is grand market. Everything there. You know? Everything there. Then when you go in at the big store them. See it? Everything you get as a grand market. Yeah man, make you keep journey. Here you I keep the history alive. This good for Jamaica. Yeah man. So yeah man, so we're there. See there? Food, everything. You can't hungry at a grand market. Watch out. All ice cream there. Everything there, grand market. We're up. Yes man. See it here? Baloo, everything there. Watch your jewelry, everything. See it here? Body splash. Everything there, grand market. Everything there. You know what I mean? Grand market even better than the big store. See man have him splash there. Close. Up here some big brother. Everything there. Straight. Out big brother. Yeah man. Everything there. For the ladies. See there? Nice thongs and nice underwears and thing, you know what I mean? Everything there, man, you know what I mean? Better than the store them want to go in there, you see it? Them keep the grand market alive. Make we go. We could continue the journey, cause, you know what I mean? Wow, all the beautiful ladies them there. Look here, hi! Woo! See it there? Everything there. Everything there. Sheet set, curtain, ties, yo, everything there. See? Grand market, man. Come on, man. No need for that. Y'all need to come in Jamaica. Come experience the real market. If you think you're safe in a store, grand market. You save a grand market. And the people them now make you left here. I'm satisfied, no? If you don't even have enough, them would say, work out a thing with you. You see it? Yeah, we the people have the power. See that? Everything there, grand market. See that?
That's right. See Johnny, man. New Johnny we advertise.
See that? See that?
Watch it now. Watch it, watch it, watch it. New Johnny.
See that?
New Johnny. Come on, inside.
Everything there, bless up. See jewelry? Yeah man.
Yeah, man, we have some exquisite and these are all handmade jewelry.
Yep.
Here.
Yep.
Yeah, we have some very
talented
nice
people. Big up on yourself.
See the look for all this a person. Jesus Christ. Hello, you know how much you want to name over pavilion?
Tell them, yo, hello, them don't even know that we are trying to tell them.
Right now, this set, you can get this set for 2,500.
Cheap, no?
Come grab it.
Come get it, man. See there?
Look on this one over here,
oh,
so
God,
exquisite. This is a flat bracelet.
Yep.
Right now, we
yeah.
have these and special right about
yep.
We have, hey, what them there? What them there?
But that may say, them need for forward now, man.
Jump on a car, donkey car. Come in, hello. Get here, get here.
Get here, man. See all the food there bubble up. Some them not for worry about hungry. Grand Gala, straight till the market, morning.
Right till the morning.
Come true, I'm waiting on your patiently. Want you, let me know if you wake up. I'm cool with you, but girl, don't play with me. Girl, please just stay with me all day. Yeah. You've been on my mind.
I don't know, so I mean name Nadal. Seen? Look out for me. New sensation on the block right now. I'm afraid of me.
Exclusive
I mean new mix. Cartel heavy like lead. If them this Nadal, then them are go dead. Being the man at the king, but him have sickle cell. Me say no lean pan a man, go lean pan the angel. Maca diamond and spice, all kind of smell. You take off them wig, them favor man tell. Inna the big stone clash boat step pan a lead. If I never swag a bench, assassin would have dead. The man at the done, but him a cokehead. If Sprat never dead, cartel would have fled. Back to England, with him some head. You know yes a black child, run down 50 cents. Kick where him foot, take where him pen him so many men. Now face card again, but him come on Jamaica come face with Arden. Try to set you to fix up the flame.
So guess what? I know KFC I go pack. So I know about I go KFC. So I'm at Mother's. I may get this color, may I get callaloo. 2 callaloo patty and a fresh juice. I get in vegetable patty, which is healthy for you, right? We're going black girl, so This is what you call Callaloo patty from a store that's called Mother's here in Jamaica. So yeah, it's basically Callaloo, but you guys, it's similar to what you call spinach, but it's kind of different. It's Jamaican Callaloo. So it'll be like a Jamaican spinach basically. So yeah, they put it in what you call patty, which is also known as a pie. Yeah, it tastes really good. You guys should try it out. Yeah, so anybody that come to Jamaica, just look for Mothers, yeah, and you ask them for the Callaloo patty. Alright? So yeah, but there boxes of vloggers, so journey them one. Vloggers, so we're there in Halfway Tree. I think this is Mall Plaza. Yeah, I'm in Mall Plaza right now, vlogger. And yeah, so there I walk and I go through. Here's it. So yeah, let me plug up my charger so you can talk to me better. You can talk to me better, I should say. Yeah. So all kind of stores there. You can see people, they're doing their Christmas shopping. It's also a part of Plaza, you can see. Yeah. So everybody there out there vlog world. Have fun. A shop, I guess. I ain't shopping, I ain't buying nothing. So yeah. But there I go going on my people, my birthday name place. This is what's new. My friend's place. Look up on yourself. And there's my lovely friend who I haven't seen in so many years, vlog world. Merry Christmas! Oh God! A long time we don't see them, so everybody there. Anyway, you alright?
Yes, I'm good. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas! Big up with the sale.
I just over your fridge.
Bruh.
Vlogger, I'm not even. Let me say. Big. Oh my fans are. Oh my fans are now. She said fans. Me understand the fans part. She says stove. And then she go OP and overdo the thing and go fridge. Me stress out, me that me. Who says those things? I'm not a customer, but anyway, vlog world. Right, so me get enough of my games them from. Yeah. iTunes. Enough other things, games, accessories. If me no go, me send a friend. Cause you know me super busy I know. But yes sir. And them have sales too. Yeah. So much things there. Whole heap of things there. Vlog world. Me even look on some game too, you know. But anyway, vlog world, me go check out some game and see if I can get a sale or a pail or something like that, you see it? So yeah, go on journey there boy. Whoop! See how to cheer them up? See how to cheer them? And to go get even madder. So see King Alvin here, I go bet $50, you see it? Yeah. I go see King Alvin, you see it? Don't gamble kids. Leave this to adults, adults only. Come in. Come on here. Where you say King Alvin, you ready? From the Grand Market, you ready? Bet the money out, make us see. And you ever lose, me laugh off of you. Let me see if you win.
Jesus weapon.
You lose though?
Yeah.
But nah, come in there, I have to take bus, go home.
Well, give me something, give me something here. Ready? Yeah. Oh, yeah, these famous. Go there. Yeah. I know I'm flashing. Right. we are go convert Donald Trump.
Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Mueve la colita, look, yeah.
Release the dopamine, dopamine.